Okay, so now we're going to look at C and D. We'll start by looking at C over here in the purple pen, or I'm sorry, the blue pen. So let's see what we needed to do and what we did. So we have 2 times n plus 1. So that means I need n 2 times, and I need this positive 1 2 times. And we can look at the model and we see that, I'm going to use a different color because it's kind of blending in here. I can see that this person did 2 times n to get 2n. And then they did 2 times 1 to get 2. Then they added those terms together, 2n plus 2. And you can see their equation matches the exact math they did. First, they did 2 times n. That's right here. Then they added the product of 2 times 1 to get 2n plus 2. I'm going to ask you this question again when we look at example D, but why didn't they say their answer was 4n? Why didn't they combine these to say their answer is 4n? And we know that from lesson 1, they did not do that because this 2n and this 2 are not like terms. 2n has a variable n and 2 is a constant. So we can only combine constants or like terms, not constants and like terms. So we know that the simplified expression of this is 2n plus 2. Now we're going to take a look at D. And again, these are getting a little bit more complicated because we have all of these variables in here. So we have 5 times 3a plus 2. That means we need whatever 3a is 5 times. And we need 2 5 times. So in our work, in our equations, and in the models, we need to see that we have 3a 5 times and 2 5 times. Let's look at first at 3a. So I have 5 times 3a will give me 15a. If whatever the product of 3a is, if I have it 5 times, that will equal 15a. Now I need to have 2 5 times. So let's see if we did that. Do I have 2 5 times? I do. That's 10. So if I combine these, I get 15a plus 10. And when I look at my expression, I see I have 3a 5 times and 2 5 times, which gives me 15a plus 10. Same question, why isn't this answer 25a? Well, same answer as before. I know I cannot combine 10 because it's a constant with 15a because it has a variable. The variable, a constant doesn't have a variable, so I can't actually combine these terms. So I know that I've gotten it in simplest form when I can no longer combine terms, and I can't combine these, so I know that it is in the simplest form. So let's think about what we've talked about during this debrief, and you will get a chance to name our conjecture for today in an upcoming slide.